Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today I'm going to be preparing for you polenta con cavolo and salsiccia, which is polenta with kale and sausage. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm done putting the polenta and I'm just going to let it sit for another 5 to 7 minutes. It's perfect consistency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to plate this. And this is the most important part because if you don't do this, the polenta is going to be tasteless. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.